Good morning from Norway. Can you believe we're in another new country?
No. I feel like I blink and I wake up and we're like in a brand new place every day on this trip.
It's so true. So fast.
We have never traveled quite so fast as we have on this crazy train adventure, but we're here in Oslo. So over the next 48 hours, we're going to be showing you guys the best things to see and do in the city, and we're going to be trying to do it on a budget because Oslo is consistently ranked as one of the most expensive cities in Europe.
It's going to be a challenge.
I feel like we've been in all of them at this point. So we're going to experience the city and we are going to try and do it on a budget.
So we arrived here yesterday from Stockholm. It was a 6-hour train journey, but it seemed so much faster than that. We were in first class again, which is really nice. They offer you coffee, tea, and some fruit as well. But they also had a bistro car, which had all kinds of food and snacks and drinks you can buy. We also read online that this specific train journey wasn't very scenic, but we passed so many forests and lakes, it was very beautiful to us. I know I say this in every video, but train travel here in Europe is so easy.
This is kind of crazy how it just goes up like this, like a ramp.
Yeah, super unique.
Yeah. First budget tip, come to the top of the Opera House. It's free and you get beautiful views over the city. It's a great free activity. And actually it's on the top of like all like the must-do things in Oslo, but I was like, oh, like, you know, I didn't think much of it, but I didn't realize you could like walk up on the outside of the building, like how cool the architecture was. Just kidding, it's an I. I made an S and a T. It was already there. I didn't write that.
As you're walking up and down this thing, be careful. I've slipped like 3 times now. There's like little ledges you have to watch out for.
I told him, I was like, be careful, you're gonna slip. And there are like random little corners.
It's hard to see too. It's like an optical illusion.
It's like an optical.
And I'm filming and I'm just walking and slip. Oh, just like that. See?
God,
that's what happens. That was just a fake one.
Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know.
So one thing I read online that sounds actually very fun, but we just did this in our last video, is to do the sauna. So they have saunas directly right there, which gives you awesome views of course, the pier in the city.
Tommy and I were so like enthralled by the architecture of the Opera House. We just like Googled it really quick before we left, and apparently the design was inspired by Norway's like glacier Arctic region, which I think is very cool. That's why there's so many sharp edges. You gotta be careful when you're up there.
So when we came out the train station yesterday, I noticed this piece of art behind me, which reminds me of a movie I can't remember on top of my head. It is so interesting, a little creepy, but very unique. I'd love to hear what it's all about. All right, got our coffees?
We have our coffee. So we found this place right when we got here yesterday, and I saw the sign right there. Every 5th coffee is free. So I downloaded the little app, and they scan it every time you buy a coffee, and your 5th coffee is free.
So we got a free coffee today.
Yeah.
Cheers.
And Tommy and I rack up coffees pretty quickly, so this was the best. I was like, whoa, this was like the best budget tip ever.
So Norwegians love their coffee. The country of Norway actually has the 2nd highest consumption per capita of coffee. That's a lot of C's. With over 80% of people having a coffee every day. We would fit in well here, I think.
Yeah.
But the quality of coffee is amazing. I should try to spit facts after I have coffee, after I consume the coffee.
Just drink coffee. You should try to speak
Just
before.
shut up and drink coffee.
You should try to talk beforehand.
Looks like you.
We just went and got a little sweet treat. This is the typical Norwegian waffle. It comes with jam, like probably raspberry or strawberry, and sour cream. And this one is interesting because it's served with thin slices of brown cheese. And it's actually a really thin waffle too.
Looks good.
It looks so good. And you're supposed to fold it in half and eat it like that. Oh, you get a little bit of everything when you fold it. That's why they do it that way. Smart thinking. That's delicious. It's like a good sweet and savory combination. It's like really crunchy, almost like jammy toast, but then you get like the salty cheese.
I feel like we've been on a waffle craze lately, which I'm not complaining about. That's great. It's funny when you walked in too, they had like instructions of how to eat it. It showed like a picture of somebody eating it with their hands versus like a knife and fork. Everybody eats so proper here, so it's nice to be able to eat like a savage that I am.
Oh, please.
Cheers, you guys. This is amazing. The cheese in there adds that saltiness, like you said. I love this. So this was 70 crowns. Okay. I better give it back to you before I eat it all.
Yeah. We had to stop into this coffee shop. We heard that this coffee shop won an award for being one of the top 5 coffee shops in the world, which is crazy. I didn't even know that was a thing. But this is their signature drink that they do here. It's a cappuccino alfredo. Look how pretty it is.
No alcohol though, people. It's just coffee.
Yeah, it's just served. It's not a. It looks like an espresso martini, kind of.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not alcoholic. I love Freddos because it's just like foam. This is like thick, luscious foam. It's like cream almost.
Wow, the flavor of this coffee is spectacular. You can see why it won awards. I kind of wish we got a regular coffee instead of the fancy foam drink, but the coffee flavor is outstanding.
It's more like a dessert, though.
Mm.
That drink in particular.
It is. A lot of sweets today.
Yeah.
So fancy.
You're supposed to be the one you're holding it with.
Shows how much I know.
So another free thing to do in the city to see the sights of the city is there's actually a river that runs right through it. We started at the center of town and we've just been walking our way up. The nature is so integrated into the city so well. We saw like a waterfall on Google Maps like 30 minutes north of where we were staying. So we're just kind of like meandering our way up. I want to say a quick thank you to the sponsor of today's video, GetYourGuide. We utilize GetYourGuide all over the world to book our tours and excursions, so we're super excited to be partnering with them and sharing them with you guys in today's video. GetYourGuide is the leading online platform for tours and excursions. They offer activities in over 110,000 destinations and over 150 countries. GetYourGuide makes it very easy for travelers to find and enjoy unforgettable experiences. We've used GetYourGuide throughout our travels. We use them to book entrance tickets and skip the line tickets, to book a trip to the Great Wall of China. We use them in Portugal to go kayaking, and so many other incredible experiences. We also love the GetYourGuide app. It makes booking super simple and gives you instant access to your tickets. They offer 24/7 support, and my favorite feature is that you are allowed to cancel for up to 24 hours before your tour starts, which whenever you're traveling, having that flexibility is so important. We're gonna leave a link to GetYourGuide and all of the experiences that we did in the description box below.
Okay, sounds good. So after that peaceful walk, we made it to the main waterfall here. I can't believe a waterfall this large is right in the middle of the city. So nice to just get out in nature. So many birds and ducks and everything too. There's even a little mist coming off to help cool you down.
We did opt to buy the city pass. We don't buy it in every city, but for Oslo, it was definitely worth it for us because it was for the 24-hour pass. It was 550 crowns, and with public transportation, that includes like buses, trams, and the ferries to go see some of the museums, and the entrance tickets for the attractions for the ones we wanted to do. It definitely saved us some money, but I would look into what museums and attractions that you want to go to and see if it works out to save you some money. But for what, 55 bucks? Definitely was a top budget tip for us.
So for that price, we got the 24-hour pass. So we waited as long as possible today before we activated it. But since we just got on the bus, the timer has started. It's nice too, in the app, it shows exactly how much time you have left. So you can play it by ear. As long as you get into the museum or the place you're going before it runs out, I believe you're good. So we just made it to Vigeland Sculpture Park. I believe this is the largest sculpture park in the world done by one artist. He has over 200 sculptures here, and budget friendly as well because it's free to get in and explore.
Something I really appreciate in a space like this, a park, is symmetry. Like how exactly symmetrical it is on both sides.
You can thank the artist for that because the artist who did all the sculptures designed the park too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So this park is definitely a highlight for me so far. I have to say, out of all the art forms, sculpture is by far my favorite. The artist really captures the human emotion through all his sculptures, and there's so many different ones to look at. It's very touching and such a gorgeous day as well.
Grocery store sushi, specifically salmon sushi. So Norway's been exporting salmon for over 1,000 years, and they're the world's largest producer of salmon. So we got some salmon sushi by the seashore. Oh my god!
Look how good this looks, you guys. Salmon looks fresh. Oh my gosh! So these ones are my favorite. Oh, we're stuck with the sashimi on top. Cheers. Best grocery store sushi ever. Melts in your mouth. Woo, we are gonna scarf this down.
Is there anything better than sushi?
No. I can't believe how amazing it is. Especially from the grocery store, you don't expect much, but this is fantastic.
This is so good. Oh my gosh. And the weather's great, and we're by the water, and we're eating delicious, yummy fish. One final bite.
That was Sammy's last bite, and I have 9 more pieces to go. It's impressive. Precisely 23 minutes later,
Shut up.
I'm on my last bite. Show them what you're getting into.
The rest of our groceries we didn't show. The chips and the cookies.
Alright, Sammy, show me your skills. If you fall, I will catch you. Go.
I don't like it.
Go. Go. Nice.
Ooh!
How do you stop?
You jump off.
Are you finally full?
I feel sick.
I know, I'm stuffed, so I can't imagine what you feel like.
I know, I tried to make a video not all about food, and then we forgot to eat all day. And then finally we eat, and I ate everything. I ate the sushi, I ate the chips, I ate the cookies, I ate some salad.
Oh, so badass. Thank you.
It is wild that the sun is still that high in the sky this late in the evening.
Oh, it's almost 8 o'clock.
It feels like we have to be out doing things because the sun is high. It's like my bedtime's in like 30 minutes.
My favorite days are days like these.
But yeah, what an amazing first day in Oslo. I feel like
Good start. Relaxing day.
yeah, such a relaxing day. We have another full day tomorrow, but a great way to end the day. We're just like walking around the grounds of the fortress, which is free to enter. But if you want to go into the museum, you can also get in with your Oslo pass. We're a little too tired for that. I didn't even check to see if they were still open at this time of day.
But what a beautiful fortress. So many cool views, and it's like a photographer's dream from up here.
Yeah, it's very quiet because
End of the day.
it's the end of the day. It's really nice. Another budget-friendly tip. This is where we're staying, City Box Hotel. It was right at $100 a night in the city center. So that's very budget-friendly and affordable for the city of Oslo.
Yeah, just a simple room, but it works.
Yeah, it's tiny, but
Comfortable bed.
it's comfy.